Before you make a decision about 800.com, there are 7 things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for your business or personal use, these insights will help you make a more informed choice. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also reveal a way you can try it for free. So let's dive right in. First off, 800.com is a VoIP service that provides virtual phone numbers for businesses. Unlike traditional services, 800.com gives you the flexibility to choose a toll-free or local number, which is perfect for companies that need a professional presence or those looking to expand into new regions. But how does it compare to competitors like Grasshopper or RingCentral? Well, one thing 800.com excels in is simplicity. It's incredibly easy to set up, even if you're not tech savvy. Many of its competitors can feel overwhelming with extra features you might not even need. Next thing to consider is pricing. 800.com offers competitive pricing, especially for small to medium businesses. Their plans are straightforward with no hidden fees, which is refreshing compared to services like Google Voice, where you may find additional charges popping up unexpectedly. It's important to note that 800.com's pricing structure is based on the number of minutes, which is a great option for companies that are more focused on quality calls rather than mass volumes. The third thing to highlight is their call forwarding capabilities. This is a big win if you're running a business but want flexibility. You can forward calls from your 800.com number to any phone, whether it's a mobile or landline, and you can do it on the fly. This beats some competitors who make you jump through hoops to set up call forwarding or require extra steps to make it work seamlessly. And if you're thinking of scaling, 800.com lets you add more lines with ease, a feature that's often tricky or expensive with other services. The fourth thing you'll want to know is about the customer support. 800.com has a reputation for offering solid customer service, especially compared to other VoIP providers that often rely on slow, complicated support systems. If you run into any issues, their support team is quick to respond, which makes a world of difference when you're depending on this service for your business operations. Another feature that's worth mentioning is voicemail to email. This allows you to get voicemails as emails, making it easier to track and respond to messages even when you're away from the office. Not all VoIP services offer this convenience, and it's a huge time saver for busy professionals. Many competitors require you to use a separate app or interface to access your voicemail messages, but 800.com integrates this feature seamlessly into their platform. The sixth thing is scalability. Whether you have just one line or need multiple lines across different locations, 800.com can grow with your business. Compared to other services like Grasshopper, which might be limited in terms of how many lines you can add, 800.com offers more flexibility as your needs expand. Their system is designed to scale without much hassle, so you won't outgrow it too quickly. And finally, you should be aware of the lack of certain advanced features. While 800.com offers a great basic suite of services, if you need advanced features like video conferencing or team messaging, you might find better options with other providers like RingCentral. That said, if your business just needs reliable phone service with straightforward features, this is less of an issue. Now, if you're still on the fence about whether 800.com is right for you, remember that you can try it out for free using the first link below. This gives you a chance to test all the features, and I highly recommend taking advantage of this offer if you're unsure about committing. To wrap up, if you want to try out 800.com and see if it's a good fit for your business, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your communications with 800.com.